So this is the second part we are shooting. So this is what's in my hospital bag for newborn baby. So let's get started. I have categorized newborn babies list into two parts. That is, one is clothing and second is essentials. So let's first check with the essential. Most essential thing is having a sanitizer. No matter what, you should give sanitizer to the people who are coming to see you and your newborn baby. You should not let them touch your baby unless they sanitize their hands. It is very crucial, very important. So do have a sanitizer bottle with you. The second essential thing is having a baby wipes. Now you cannot wash your baby very frequently as it's a newborn and you are in the hospital. So wipes comes very handy. You can wipe a baby's face, hands, then legs with the wipes, and also when baby poops and pees, you can wipe your baby's private parts with the wipes too. So wipes are very essential to have in your hospital bag. You should have a bottle of Dettol antiseptic liquid in your hospital bag, because you wash your baby's clothes or any other things which are related to baby, you should sanitize them. You should with the antiseptic liquid like this. So you should have a bottle of Dettol sanitizer in your hospital. You should have a coconut oil in your hospital bag as well, because newborn baby's skin is very sensitive and very delicate. We cannot use any other thing on their skin. If baby has rashes or baby has some irritation, we can apply the coconut oil, because I don't think coconut oil will have any rashes on the baby's skin. It will help to soothe them. So this is the thing which we can 100% rely on, and we can apply on baby's skin without having any worries. So now let's come to the clothing part, which should be there in your hospital. The thing you should have is a swaddle blanket. So here is a blanket from the brand called Mimi. It's very cozy and comfortable. It's very soft. I just love it. This blanket is very cozy and your babies will feel comfortable in this blanket if you swaddle them in it. So that's the reason this blanket. You also have one other blanket which is like this. It is very soft, and your baby is sleeping. You can cover them up with this blanket. So the next clothing item for babies is this swaddle clothes. So this is the 9-yard sari, because they are very soft, and second is we can cut them according to the size of baby, according to our need. So this is the swaddle cloth which we have, and this is the another one. These are not used saris. We have bought new saris from the market, and then we cut them into 4 pieces and then washed them for 3-4 times, and now they are very soft. So these are cotton saris, and we use these clothes as a swaddle clothes. You can buy from the market as well, but we personally prefer this. And for your babies, you should carry a towel for bathing towel, as well as napkins to wipe their face and hands and legs. So instead of buying ready-made towels from the market, what we have done, we have bought muslin cloth, because it is very soft, and we are going to use it as a towel, and also small cutouts from it, which we are going to use as a handkerchief. So this is very soft, as it's a muslin cloth, and it will not give any rashes or anything to our baby's delicate skin. So that's the reason, instead of buying towels from the market, we have made this at home. We require a plastic sheet or a changing mat, because newborn babies are very much prone to do pee and poop very frequently. So we will require a plastic sheet or mat. So this is the plastic sheet, It has very soft cotton cloth from on one side, and the other side it has a plastic sheet. So it protects our bed from getting wet when our baby pees on it. So this is the thing which is necessary in your hospital bag. Also require a pack of tissues because we never know why we will require the tissues, but it is always helpful to have a pack of tissues with us. And the next thing we require is a pair of socks for our newborn. So these are the socks which we got for the newborn. And then mittens are necessary. These are the mittens from the brand called Mimi, and they are very soft, and when baby is born they might have long nails which we cannot cut. At least I personally was very scared of cutting the baby's nails till 1 month. So I used to make her wear these mittens. So that's the reason mittens are very helpful, because baby will not scratch their body parts with their nails. So mittens are necessary to have to be there into your hospital bag. Then we should have 3-4 types of caps. So one is like this. It will cover the baby's eyes as well as head properly. So this is one cap which we have. Then the second one is like this. It is very soft. It is also from this is from Mom and Me, and it is very soft material, and it is very cozy as well. So this is one kind of cap, because if baby is not letting you to tie the knots of the cap, we can use this kind of cap. So this is the other type. This is the one shirt which we have bought for the baby. This is full sleeves because it will make them feel warm, as well as it has very soft material. Also it has a front opening, so it is very convenient to make our babies wear these shirts. So I always recommend to use front opening shirts instead of the t-shirts. Also have sleeveless, because if there is if it is very hot outside, then we can make our baby wear this sleeveless shirt. It also has a front opening and the tic tac buttons. The last thing is this. I don't know what it is called in English. We call them langots. So they are very necessary to have. Now I have heard from so many people, from doctors as well, that we should not make our babies wear diapers very frequently. So I personally make my daughter wear diapers when we are going out, or else at home we do not use it. So baby skin is very delicate, so we cannot risk her skin, risk that her skin gets irritation or rashes because of diaper. So that's the reason we can use this cotton things, and it is very soft as well. So we have 20 of these. That's it. I hope you like this video. I hope it is helpful to you, and please do share it with your friends and family. Comment in below comment section and let me know how you find this video, whether it is helpful to you or somebody you know, and do share it, and do subscribe to our channel hitting that red button below. It means a lot to us. So thanks for watching. Bye.